Configuring Etoro fees is a crucial step in managing your investment costs on the platform. To start, it is essential to understand the different types of fees associated with Etoro, including spreads, overnight fees, and withdrawal fees. Spreads refer to the difference between the buy and sell prices of an asset, while overnight fees are charged for holding positions overnight. Withdrawal fees apply when you transfer funds out of your Etoro account. To configure Etoro fees, first log into your Etoro account and navigate to the Fees section. Here, you can view a breakdown of the fees associated with each asset class, including cryptocurrencies, commodities, and currencies. Take note of the spreads and overnight fees for each asset, as these can vary significantly. Next, consider your investment strategy and the assets you plan to trade. If you are a day trader, you may want to focus on assets with low spreads and minimal overnight fees. On the other hand, if you are a long-term investor, you may be more concerned with withdrawal fees and other costs associated with holding positions over an extended period. To minimize Etoro fees, it is crucial to understand the concept of leverage. Leverage allows you to trade with borrowed capital, but it can also increase your exposure to fees. Be cautious when using leverage, as it can amplify both your profits and your losses. Another key concept is the Etoro Club, which offers reduced fees and other benefits for frequent traders. To join the Etoro Club, you must meet specific trading volume requirements or maintain a minimum account balance. Members of the Etoro Club can enjoy lower spreads, reduced overnight fees, and other perks. In addition to understanding fees and leverage, it is also essential to monitor your account activity and adjust your configuration as needed. Keep track of your trading volume, account balance, and fee payments to ensure you are not incurring unnecessary costs. By following these steps and considering your investment strategy, you can effectively configure Etoro fees and minimize your investment costs. Remember to stay informed about changes to Etoro's fee structure and adjust your configuration accordingly. With a clear understanding of Etoro fees and a well-planned investment strategy, you can maximize your returns and achieve your financial goals.